Buen dia!
Buen dia!
Buen dia!
Hey everybody, so we're gonna go eat at IKEA at the restaurant. So we're looking for it right now. Oh, and here it is.
Yeah.
Very exciting.
So we went IKEA just to
We're that people. We're that type of people. Okay, wait, so fourth floor. We have to go up to the fourth floor.
fourth floor. This is not the
Swedish
this is
cafe.
Swedish cafe.
Oh my god, wait. There's so many cafes.
This is what they say. The food here is
Sarap.
great. So we're gonna try it. So yeah, just keep talking.
The last time we came to IKEA was... Did we ever come to IKEA before?
Just pass by.
We passed through, and I've always had this like low-key nightmare anxiety because I'm somebody that their visual merchandising for IKEA is you have to go through the whole store and then you can eat.
Isn't it that's the food station?
No, that's a
There's
cafe,
still
isn't
that.
it? Oh, wait.
That's it.
No, there should be food. I'm confused. Wait,
That's the meat section, right?
but isn't there a lunch?
See? Huh? That's
We're lost already, and we're not even inside.
Yeah. But this is a good place for furnitures. So
Great.
you can see they're here.
But the problem is, if we start... Oh, here, Kuya. Let's ask Kuya.
Kuya, saan yung kainan?
There's the sign.
Ayan.
Swedish restaurant.
We're going there. Swedish restaurant.
So we're figuring out you don't have to... Alright. So we're figuring out you don't have to walk through the whole IKEA.
So it's Sunday right now, so there are so many people actually.
We're just
Madaming
hungry.
tao.
Priority lane and then regular lane. So this one? Okay, we found it.
Yeah. So before, when Crystal was pregnant, so we can pass through the priority line.
Oh, sorry, babe.
No more.
We gotta wait
So
normal.
you have to go wait. There we will vlog the food in a bit. We're still waiting for the line
To eat,
to eat.
we're realizing we should eat first before we go and shop, because if we go and shop first then eat, oh no, it's gonna be horrible. We'll just be hangry at each other. Wow, it's so
So
big.
this is how. This is my first time.
Look at that.
What you were saying?
So the food is kind of like buffet style, but they control the portions. So you pick the plate that you want, and then from there, they will put it on your food platter. And then you choose your food, you pay, and then you go find your own seat. So it's first come, first served basis. Yeah, it's really packed. Wow.
Pick someone of clippings with
And this is a line.
Yeah, what's that?
What did you say?
Yeah, I forgot.
He's saying that make sure that I remember everything to order because you can't go back. Because I forget a lot of things.
Kasi we're in line.
We're trying to figure out how it all works. So get every food that you want, baby. If you're really hungry.
When you pass, get it because you don't have the chance of going back. If you go back, look at the line, it's so
Long.
at the end you have to pay by the counter. It's like a grocery. I have a feeling Crystal will forget something.
Wow, you're recording this now. Okay, no. We're getting our meal first, then dessert, then drinks. Wait.
We're on the end of the line, and then she will say, "Wait, I forgot something."
No, I'm not gonna watch. Just
What?
watch. I'll
What?
remember.
So they have the card. We're going grocery now.
Grocery shop.
Grocery shop.
Strange, no?
Here's the food selection.
Hi. We'll get one big salmon plate, one mashed potato, one quick fish plate, one big lasagna plate, one meatballs and spaghetti plate, and so how many pieces?
Then the sausage.
Ilan?
I just want to taste it. One.
So one.
So we're trying everything, so we know how it tastes. So at the counter, they give free cookies. So we're paying. So after paying, you will get the condiments. Yeah. Got our table.
Here's my shopping cart.
So this is our shopping cart. Crystal is really hungry. Look what she's eating. And then this is my cart. So, but we're just basically testing. We ordered a little of everything, so we can taste how it tastes like. Yeah. So again, this is my first time. Is this your first time here? So
Not here. There's an IKEA all over the world.
all over the world. So Crystal knows how the style here, the process. So she was telling me how to do it. So when you go here in how do you call this place, babe?
IKEA.
Yeah, this resto, they call it Swedish cafe, Swedish resto.
Oh, I don't even know.
Yeah,
Oh my God, is this mukbang?
I think Swedish. I think that we got only a small table with. You have to but it's okay na lang. That's fix. Okay. Just put everything and then we just taste it. We just share. So here what we ordered, we're trying everything.
That's the
So
mukbang.
yes, for mukbang. So we will tell you if it tastes good or not. Which one are you gonna try first, baby?
Oh, I don't know. Meatball.
Okay. So the meatballs. Tastes good.
Wow. This is really
Yummy. The balls. So we have a hot dog and then the balls. We have pork ribs. This is chicken wings. This is lumpia. This is salmon. And then this is baked lasagna. And then there is spaghetti. And then we got the this is chocolate, no? Chocolate cake. And this is almond cake. Yeah, I showed that already. That's the German Franks, I think. We have a shawmai. We have the croissant.
Oh, he gave us 6. 1,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6. Oh, he was nice. You're not supposed to get 5.
Really?
Yeah.
good or not? Because I'm trying the salmon. It's good. Just a little. The meatballs is good. The salmon is good. It's good. The lumpia, not so good.
Really not bad.
The lumpia, not so good. Maybe this is the Swedish lumpia.
I think Asian has it the best food.
They have siomai too, siomai. Siomai, salmon very good.
Sausage is good.
Trying the chicken.
How about ribs?
The rib. So this is our mukbang.
You guys asked, we delivered. I like the sausage.
The sausage.
I also like the not bad. Delicious.
The ribs is good. It tastes good, but it's not tender. Little hard, but it's really the taste is good.
I love how I'm like listening to you about your review too before I even eat it. He eats it first, so then I don't have to if I don't like it. That's funny.
It's good, but it's hard.
Hard. I like the lasagna.
Tell which one is your most favorite. Yeah. Among the I like the lasagna.
Lasagna.
And the salmon. This one. Salmon is good. The Asian choices, not much. The lumpia and siomai.
I think that's given though. Chocolate spaghetti? My favorite, number 1.
Salmon.
Number 2, lasagna.
So, babe, say something. Basically, this is like a fast food, right?
So it's very quick to eat actually. We thought we would be waiting in line for a long time, but I think what, 20 minutes?
How to take 20 minutes, yeah.
20 minutes in total from waiting in line to food. So not too long.
What's good about here is it's systematized, it's organized.
Very efficient. How they can get people in and out really quick. We didn't realize there's 3 rows.
Try that. It's it tastes different, but this one not so good. It's it has no taste.
That
Sorry.
doesn't taste like lumpia. You want tissue? So many choices now, I don't know which one. I like the sausage. Sausage and that is tied for number 3.
So overall, would you recommend people going here? Yes, it's an experience, and you can also see how it looks like.
I saw people order side dishes of rice. So I know we haven't ordered rice, but I think you can order a side dish of rice if you don't want. And I've also seen people individually take pieces, not just the whole plates. So if you want just the salmon, you can just get the salmon. Gusto mo mashed potatoes only, you can have that. So you don't have to buy the whole plate.
The cake is good. They have mango something.
Bravo.
Mango sago.
The spaghetti, not bad.
So that's it. You will enjoy our food. Ciao.
So,
I tasted the chocolate. This one, the chocolate cake. So the chocolate cake is really good. It's really good. The chocolate. Okay, Krista is gonna say something.
I'm still eating.
Yeah.
Okay. You're not allowed to take out food. So only buy what you are going to eat. You cannot take out food. There's no takeout unless you bring Tupperware.
No, just consume.
Consume
Just buy
and
what you
eat.
can consume.
Yeah.
Just buy what you can consume.
That's it. So far, so good. We like it. Rating out of 5. 5 being the best. 3.5.
Yeah, I agree. 3.5. It's not superb, but not bad.
A nice alternative. It's filling. We're happy.
And then after, you say after eating, you have to cook back. Buen dia!